Good morning, everyone. I'm your host Mobeen4qureshi from Mobeen4qureshi. If you're new here, welcome to our fitness family where we believe in starting the day with positivity and energy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for daily workout routines. Let's kick off with a full body stretch. Stand tall, reach your arms overhead, and feel the stretch from your toes to your fingertips. Hold for 10 seconds and release. Let's do this 2 more times. Next, we have the standing side stretch. Raise one arm and stretch it to the opposite side. Feel the stretch along your side body. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Time for the forward bend. This is great for stretching your hamstrings and lower back. Keep your knees slightly bent to avoid straining. Hold for 10 seconds. Up next is the quadricep stretch. Stand on one leg, grab the other leg at the ankle and pull it towards your buttock. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch legs. Finally, let's wrap up with the neck and shoulder stretch. Gently tilt your head to one side and use your hand to apply a little extra pressure. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. And there you have it. A quick 5-minute morning stretch routine to get your day started right. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more daily workout routines. Stay fit and have a fantastic day.